Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? I think checking on the channel, we have been one among the people that have created content around Kalodata. And that's more of the reason why I'm trying to make this video. So, in case you want to try out Kalodata, using the link in the description, you're gonna be getting a whopping 20% off your purchase, whether you are going for the monthly plan or a yearly plan. So I'm going to be walking you through how to go about it, and walking you through the inside of my Kalodata account. And also, if you have or if you don't have much experience about how Kalodata works and how to do research with Kalodata for your TikTok program or TikTok shop, so you can check on our Kalodata playlist to watch different kind of videos around Kalodata and how it works, and also how we explain different features on Kalodata, right? And the pricing plan, which of course we believe it's very much important to know how much you're going to be paying and what you'll be getting on each plan you actually want to go for. And also, Kalodata also launch their app, as you can see right here. So once you scan this QR code, so you're gonna be able to download Kalodata on your phone. And also, there is new country added, which is Mexico, and you also see Germany right there. So we already have all these United States, US, United Kingdom, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, right? So, and based on this particular price is tailored to United States. So if you are from Mexico or Mexico, I don't know, right? So, and maybe you are from Germany, the price will definitely change, right? So, and you can see the current price where we are running. So current package we are running, sorry. Then you can see the currency, you can see the price have changed. So if you want to go for monthly, you see how much you're going to be paying. And if you're going for yearly, you're going to be paying $75 in Germany. And if you are from let's say Thailand, for example, I think that's another currency entirely. So for the professional, you're going to be paying $30, right? And for starter, you're going to be paying $10.80, right? You can see the price is totally different, so depending on country you're actually from. And if you are from Singapore, I think that's also different, which you're gonna be paying $34.20. So depending on where you're actually coming from, but then no matter where you're coming from, using the link in the description, you're gonna be getting 20% off your purchase on any plan you actually go for. And if you're a business owner, I think going for the enterprise will definitely be the best suit for you. And if there is anything you actually want us to discuss about Kalodata, you can let us know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to look into that and make a video tutorial about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.